So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to cancel a pending transaction on Wells Fargo. So basically, first you just have to open your phone and open a search engine just like this. So after that, you're going to utilize the search bar for you to able to enter or search for the Wells Fargo. So actually, when you search for it, you will redirect to this page, and after that, you will see the first URL, which is once you click on that, you will redirect to the official page of the Wells Fargo. Once you scroll it down, you will see the footer, and once you're in, under the how can we help, you should click the quick help, which is represented by the question mark icon. Once you click on that one, it will actually pop up just like this, which is actually you could click the customer service and frequently asked questions. Once you click on that one, just scroll it down until you find this one, which is actually Wells Fargo has a virtual assistant, which is it can be used on the mobile application for you to able to be assisted if you wanted a virtual assistant. But if you actually wanted to talk to a representative, just scroll it down until you see give us a call. So you will see the call as highlighted. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page wherein you could actually find their numbers or hotlines wherein you could actually call it, which is it is basically available 24/7. So after that, you'll be able to be assisted on canceling your pending transaction on your application. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.